morning, everybody. So we're on the way to the Friendship Quarry. We went yesterday, but this time we're hauling some stone out of there for some customers of Vulcan. So we have 3 loads right now in the morning. Let's see if there's any more loads after that, or there's another job. So yeah, we're coming up to that one intersection. What I hate, those dang 4-wheelers. Right now it's like 6 something. What is it? 6:20. Should get there at 6:45. The job starts at 7. I'm getting there earlier so I can get my empty weight and get in line, because there's always a line in the morning. Man, I hate these two no dang. So it looks like we're gonna be delivering somewhere around this area. I was looking at the map where the delivery point is somewhere around here. So it's not that far away, like 15 minutes away. We got 3 loads. I think it's like right here to my right. They're at the quarry. There's Will, my dispatcher. I haven't used this app since like beginning of November.
Okay, got it.
Oh, I can turn on my blue lights. I haven't turned them on. Oh, look at those guys, the guys that stockpile for that concrete plant, like I said in the last video. That's how they call number 89.
Good morning, sir. How much of the 89s would you like this morning?
I don't know what side they're loading on. The loader guy asking where he's loading up the GAP.
Good morning, Don. Yes, sir. Whenever that is, it's in 84 seconds, please. You hear me going down? 10-4, 84 seconds. Hey, going down, I'll be right back up. Let me go down and shred this rock down with the crank. See you, folks.
I think they're loading up the GB here. Last time they were loading it up here.
How much you need on the Ford? Can you hear me? 18 on the other one now. Oh, is that 19? Hey, how much you need on the Ford 18? Yeah, 19, yes sir. Alright, let me 6 to 7 on the ground when you're ready, gentlemen. Good morning. Buggy don't pick up much.
So, that's why I came early, because they're loading up the other trucks first.
Yeah, I'm not saying, please. Got a chance to see it? Yes, I'll be right over there. Got to make my round.
Wow, that's why I came early. Alright, so we're loaded up now. Those guys still haven't got loaded. They'll take the transports. Even though there was a loader guy over here, what the hell happened? So you have to go this way. We normally go around that way, but they said we can't go that way. There's like a crane or something. You have to take this way. So look, it's about to be 7 already, so good thing I came early, because I would have lost time just waiting.
Hey, Jordan, good morning, too. Good morning. How you doing this morning? Yeah, I think this truck right here is going
Alright, so I calculated that's like a shovel full is like 5 pounds. Times it, all that, that's like hopefully 500 pounds. Hopefully that's 500 pounds right there. So I clean my tailgate. I'll make sure you clean your tailgate, because a little rock could hit a car and they shoot you. Alright, so hopefully we're not overweight. Hopefully it's not too much. Oh, we dumped out. I just lost a few minutes, man. Let's go. I see that it's like 64,100 pounds, I'm gonna step right off. I'm gonna step right off the truck, so before the lady notices, so it lowers down a little. Cause I'm like 200 pounds, and then it's like 4,200. I mean 64,200, and I can step off, and it's gonna be exact. Oh, look at that! Oh my God! Dang, look, I almost 64,000. Look, 40 pounds. This truck 60519 got GAB. Look, exactly 64,000. Oh.
GAB for Collins and Arnold.
Yeah. 64,000 pounds exactly. Holy crap! Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see. 64,000 exactly. I got the GPS on. It says speed check ahead, so there's a cop over there. Like there always is. Before we just speed, I'm always going fast as crap. But yeah, guys, exactly 64,000 pounds. That's crazy, guys. I never hit exactly 64. On the paper it says 6390, 890, but or 980. On the paper it says 63,980. But on the scale, it says 64,000. That's what I'm going with, man. Exactly 64,000 pounds. Alright, so we're here at the job site. And I think it's gonna be a new Lowe's. Yeah, this is a new Lowe's. I just realized, well, where's the closest construction store at? I don't even know, man. So we're back at the quarry, getting our third, maybe our last load of the day. We only had 3 loads on this job. I got a message that said canceled, just canceled. That's it. Like, what the hell? They canceled this load? Like, oh no. So they canceled the Stewart Brothers job. I think we were supposed to do asphalt like yesterday too, but they canceled it. So hopefully there's more loads. He's trying to see if there's more loads right now. We only do 3 loads, only like $300. That's just for the diesel I spent all week, so hopefully there's more loads. Okay, so I delivered that last load. I'm back home now. It's still early, it's like 10 in the morning. And so UPS just dropped off the new temperature gauge that I ordered. When I talked to y'all last video about, it came with all this, the clock and a temperature sensor. So there's a gauge for the water temp. I use it for oil, transmission, and fuel. But I need it for the coolant because I need to know my temperature. I don't want to reheat this thing. Also, I want to install an oil one, an oil temperature sensor, so I know what my oil is. Right now this is not working, so hopefully I can just swap this and put that one on. I don't know if it's that easy because this thing is different. It has a type of connection. I don't know if I can put the other connection on here. I don't know. So my dash, man, none of them even have screws. Look, they're all just loose like that. Like all the little mounts are broken, so I can't even mount nothing on there. So this one I need to take out. So I took these connections off. Right, this air line and this other line for the oil pressure. The turbo boost and oil pressure. Also, so these are easy. All you have to do is use it's easy to take out. All you need is a screwdriver or a flathead, anything. So you can just pry it out. Put the flathead under here and pry it out. Easy. Thought it was hard, but it's not. I just took it apart for nothing. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Just pop in the new one. Like, I guess it starts working. I don't know. Okay, so it's reading now. I need to tap in that temperature thing. I just put it in the radiator cap, inside the radiator. I'm gonna buy the OEM one though, because this is original sensor right here, and this digital one has like a different plug. So I guess I don't know why it's not working. I don't know if it's a sensor or the cable's not put on right, because it was working since I got the truck, and after the reboot that clock stops working. So yeah, look, I just stuck it in there. I stuck the sensor in there and run the wire to the gauge. And I have a thermometer in there. It's reading like around 130, I think. So I'm gonna check the digital one to see if it's correct. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna screw in that sensor into here. That's the old one right there, the one that stopped reading. I don't know why it stopped reading. Maybe I need to buy a new sensor, or the wire's not in there right. So the thermometer said like 130. This one says like 155. So I don't know which one's right. So which one should I trust? Only that won't work. Why is it not working? This is the OEM one, and here's the part numbers. I'm gonna try to find it for cheap, because they're expensive, like almost what, I guess like 350 bucks, I think. Now I'm gonna have to go like to a junkyard. I don't know where one is at. I'm gonna have to look it up, see if I can find one for cheap, cause man, or if I could find the whole panel full of gauges. I want to add an oil temperature one, and what else? Oil temperature, engine temperature, maybe the exhaust temperature. I don't know. Oh look, here's the connections. Oh shit. So here's the connections. This one is for the engine oil temperature, but I don't have, this one's for the engine oil temperature. I don't have a gauge for that. So there's a whole lot of different wires in there you could add. And there's also like more gauges you can add on this side. Like this one is, what is this for? It's for a clock. It says clock. I don't know. What's that for? Maybe for the hours the engine has? I don't know. There's so many different like gauges you can put on here. So yeah, I'm just gonna run this through the firewall right here, and then put that sensor in one of those. Remove one of those bolts and put the sensor in there. Let's see if it screws on there. So I need to drain the coolant out of it first, and that thing's hot. So I need to find the tape. Oh, so I just took out the gauge, and there's oil on it. There's not supposed to be no oil in the coolant, right? Is it oil or coolant? It feels like oil. There better be no dang oil in the dang coolant, man. I just got this thing rebuilt. Oh my god, is that oil? Let me taste it. Man, there better be no oil in here. So I just drained a gallon of coolant. It's pretty hot, man. Hopefully this dang bottle doesn't melt. Look. It's still leaking a little. I'm just gonna wait till it drains out. So now let me just install this the sensor in there. I'm gonna put some Teflon on here and the threads, and let's see if it even threads. So I'll put some Teflon on the threads, and the threads in perfect. There we go. And then tighten it up. Alright, so I tighten it up, not too tight so I don't break nothing. So now you have to tighten this, and after you tighten this, you can't loosen no more, because once it's adjusted, that's what the paper says, you can't. No more. So this is supposed to move back and forth. So you just tighten that so you don't, don't over tighten, because you can damage the cable. It's not going to work. So it's like a compression fitting. So what it does when you tighten the nut, it compresses, and then, it's like a seal over it. Hopefully it won't leak. I'm gonna test that around also. I'm gonna put the coolant back in. But first I'm gonna take the old sensor off. Let's see if something's wrong with it. Oh, look at that, I barely even moved it with a wrench. That thing was loose as fuck, this old sensor. So I don't know if it's been leaking or not, but I don't know from the west box where I didn't see it, not see sun, but it was leaking. It wasn't even down there tight. It was loose as crap, what the fuck? So maybe that's why it wasn't working. Maybe the cable's damaged already. So let me just put some Teflon on there and then tighten it back up and see. Alright, so both tightly, we just pouring the coolant now and make sure it don't leak. I lost a little bit of coolant, maybe a quarter of a gallon, so I'm gonna put more coolant in there too. Alright, so it works. The old one still doesn't work. So I guess that one is broken, unless, because it's at 145. And the lowest this goes is 130, so yeah, I think it don't work. I'm gonna go for a drive and see if the temperature reads, goes up and down. I'm gonna run the engine without the fan and then turn it on and see if it actually cools it down. Yeah, so I came to the racetrack, I'm running the truck, looking at the temperature. 190 now, 188. I don't know if it's correct. Let's see, let me turn it off and see if it cools down. I don't know. It's supposed to run, C13s are supposed to run between 180 to 210, no more than that. One time, man, I saw it go up to like 220, and I was standing still, like I wasn't even moving. I don't know why it went all the way up there. And I'm still almost a full tank, I only did 3 loads today, so yeah, almost full, still full. So after those 3 loads, I was supposed to do that job we didn't do yesterday. The hauling GMP over there to Oakwood. Oh dang, I didn't even notice I had all that. Look at that. I need to clean that up. So yeah, hopefully Monday they take. So hopefully on Monday they assign us to that job so we can make some money. But it's gonna be good money. We paid like what? Fucking. I forgot how much, but it pays good. I think it was like $6 a ton. And hopefully on Monday, because we got canceled today because it's wet. It was raining this morning, so I mean at least we made enough for diesel, $300. Yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show you all those quick reloads and be changing all that thermostat. I said it was thermostat or just a plan or whatever, but yeah. Someone already put $15 and actually it was over $15 on the truck. So yeah, we'll see you guys. Look at my bumper, man. I was pushing the mud with my bumper. Yeah, I bet. We're stuck. See my spinning tires.